Guys, good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech with Sachin Pal. I'm Sachin Pal. I'm from Unnao, Uttar Pradesh, and I hope you all are doing well. And thank you so much for being with me on this English speaking journey. And as you all are well known, like I have taken a 100-day challenge for myself, where I'm going to create a video blog in spoken English on daily basis till 100 days. So today is the 42nd day of that particular challenge, and as you all are well known, like I have started storytelling on my YouTube channel, because with the help of storytelling I am able to use so many vocabs in my stories, and I am able to get familiar with those vocabs. So in order to that, today also I want to narrate a story which is ab- able to give a deep message for you all, and you all are able to learn something from that story. So once upon a time there was a village, and there was a washerman living with his family, and he had one donkey for carrying his cloth from one village to another village. And he's not taking care that much of his donkey. He's not giving enough food to his donkey, and the donkey is feeling very weak and tired, because he is not able to get good amount of food. And his master is going to untie in the night, and he is going to say that please go and find your food. So he's struggling to get food in the dark, because in night we are having dark. So he's struggling to get food in the dark. And one day, while he was on the other side of that village, and he's trying to find some food for himself, and he met with a jackal. So jackal asked, "Hey brother, why you are seems like very tired? Are you struggling with some illness?" So then that donkey said that I'm not struggling with any illness, but my master is not taking care of myself. He's not giving me enough food to eat. He's just using me, and when his work is completed in night, then he's going to untie myself, and he said that please go and find your food. Then Jackal said with Donkey, you no need to be worried about the hunger. I think from today onwards your hunger day is lost, totally lost or end. And he said that am I found a garden where there are so many crops are growing, like cucumber, cabbage, coriander, and there are so many green crops are growing. So you are able to eat how much you are able to eat. The, you no need to be worried about the food. And I have also found a hidden path to get into that garden. And please join me, and we both are going to eat food from that garden. So they they both goes into that garden, and the first day in his life the donkey is able to feed the food till full of his stomach. And after some time he is feeling energetic and powerful, and he is able to walk like a young donkey. And one day they both while they both entered in that garden, and when they both is into the process of feeding the food, Then donkey start singing in loud voice. Then jackal warned the donkey, if you are going to sing like that, then the god of that garden is going to wake up, and we are get into trouble due to that. So please stay silent. The donkey said, I think you are not able to know about music, it is a art. Then jackal understand, he is not able to understand what I want to say, so we need to go from there. And he said, yeah, yes brother, you are singing very good, and I want to go and pluck a flower for give you as a prize, so please start singing till 10 minutes, so I want to take a flower, and I'm able to give you that flower as a prize. And he goes from there, and donkey closed his eyes, and he started singing very loudly. And after some time, the god of that garden is wake up, and they beaten that donkey very badly. Like he, while he seems half dead, then they leave that donkey. So Jackal said, I want to warn you, but you didn't get my message, so that's why you are face that issue. And the conclusion of this story is, there are so many, there are some of your friends who are going to warn you if you are going to do something wrong in your life, then you need to listen them carefully. So need to be wise, not right always. If there are some situation, then we need to correct ourselves according to that situation. So that's it for today, and I hope you all are able to learn something from that story. So that's it for today. Goodbye, take care, have a great day ahead. Thank you so much for being with me on this journey. And if you all are able to learn something from my blogs, then please hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share with someone who really need this kind of content.